There's a lot we think we know about Warren Buffett. From his modest lifestyle to his legendary investment choices, he's seen as the friendly billionaire, a man who's cracked the code on wealth while keeping his values intact. But as with all things that seem too simple on the surface, the reality is far more complex. Buffett's journey to wealth isn't just about picking the right stocks or living frugally, it's filled with calculated moves, powerful allies, and a deeper understanding of human behavior. And today, we're diving into what Warren Buffett doesn't openly share, but which holds the keys to real financial transformation. One thing Buffett rarely emphasizes is that his success was never just about luck or brilliance, it was about the years he put into understanding the psychology of markets. Imagine a young Warren Buffett sitting with financial reports and learning from every trade, every loss, every win. He knew that winning big wasn't about simply making good choices, but about staying mentally strong when others faltered. This resilience allowed him to see opportunity when others saw disaster. But here's where it gets interesting. He doesn't tell you that this mental toughness was built over years of small but difficult decisions, choices that most people would shy away from because they involve discipline, consistency, and learning to be comfortable with risk. So, what does that mean for you? Are you willing to stay in the game long enough to win? Most of us crave instant results. We want quick gains, fast returns, and visible success. Buffett, however, understood early on that wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. He was prepared to stick with an investment for decades if he believed in its value, even as everyone around him focused on the short term. And here's where the suspense grows, because what if the key to wealth isn't about flashy choices, but about who can last the longest when the market turns rough? What if, instead of following trends, we took a lesson from Buffett and started building our lives around strategies that endure? It's not just mental resilience, though. Buffett's success also comes from alliances, powerful partnerships that helped him seize opportunities others couldn't. He surrounded himself with thinkers, people who challenged him, who brought their own expertise to the table. But here's what's crucial: while he had a network, he never relied on others to make decisions for him. He learned to value different perspectives, but ultimately made every choice his own. Now think about your own life. Who do you have around you? Are they pushing you to be better, to think critically, to take control of your future? Or are they part of the noise that distracts you from your true goals? Another hidden part of Buffett's wealth is rooted in his philosophy on value, not just the monetary kind, but real, lasting value. He once said, "Price is what you pay, value is what you get." For him, every investment had to stand up to a simple question: will this still matter a decade from now? This outlook forced him to focus on assets that grow, evolve, and withstand time. Imagine applying that concept to your life. Think about the choices you make daily. Are they geared toward instant satisfaction, or are they building something meaningful for your future self? But here's where the mystery deepens. What Buffett doesn't tell you is that his lifestyle, his approach, his very philosophy is part of a bigger mindset that goes beyond money. It's about patience, self-trust, and, ultimately, living by principles that keep you grounded in times of uncertainty. He's not just an investor, he's a strategist who mastered life's big game by seeing beyond the superficial and focusing on what truly lasts. The secret isn't in his stock picks, it's in the way he thinks, the way he prepares, and the way he endures. Now, as we reach the end of our journey, consider this: what if you started looking at your life through this same lens? Not rushing, not seeking shortcuts, but building solid foundations and finding true value. You see, Warren Buffett's greatest secret isn't something he can write down or teach in a seminar. It's a mindset, a way of life that demands discipline, courage, and the patience to see things through. Ask yourself, are you ready to live by those principles? Because if you are, you may just find the wealth you're searching for, not only in your finances, but in every part of your life. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you're ready to take control of your financial destiny.